Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're going to blow your mind with a side dish called Cheesy Asparagus Bake. It's delicious. Stay tuned, you're going to love it. Today's ingredients are 2 bunches asparagus, 1 bag of mozzarella cheese, a half a cup shredded parmesan cheese, a half cup panko breadcrumbs, a half a cup of mayonnaise, olive oil, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 spoonful minced garlic, smoked paprika, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our asparagus. We'll take one from the bunch and see where it breaks. We'll take that one and lay it down and use it as a guide as to where to cut it, and that'll give you the most tender pieces. We'll put that in a bowl so we can mix it with some olive oil and garlic. Okay, now we're gonna drizzle the asparagus with olive oil. Use our hands, we're gonna mix that to make sure all of it is coated. We're gonna take a big spoonful of garlic and mix that in. Once again, we'll use our hands to get that mixed in and get some garlic coated on all the asparagus. We're going to spray our casserole dish with some non-stick spray, some Pam. Then we're going to layer our asparagus in our casserole dish. Now we're going to add half a cup of mayonnaise. You don't need to splurge on the mayonnaise. The asparagus already has oil in it. This is just to bind the cheeses and the seasonings together. Now we're going to go in with a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. You can cheat on that a little bit and maybe go a little more. I do want it cheesy. In fact, I have a little bit left in the container. I'm just going to dump the rest of that in there. Then we're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Some ground black pepper. And some smoked paprika. Regular paprika will also work. We'll give that a mix. And now we're going to dice up an onion.
Please like, comment, and share.
Now we're going to sprinkle our onions over the asparagus.
The cheese mixture is hard to spread, so I use my hands.
Now we're going to cover that with mozzarella cheese. We're going to mix in a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Just coat those breadcrumbs with the butter. Once that's mixed up, we're just going to sprinkle that over the top to give it a little bit of a crust.
Spread the crumbs evenly over the top.
Okay, we preheated the oven to 375. We're going to stick this in here for 25 minutes. Okay, it's been 25 minutes.
Let me know in the comments where you're watching from.
It looks good.
This looks great. I can't wait to serve it. There you have it. Cheesy Asparagus Bake.